Each of us finds and follows what we most love to do, no matter what others think. And this brings us automatically to discover more of who we really are. There's a law there, a principle like aerodynamics that simply does not fail. You can count on it.
Help me.
Hello, Kirk Maynard.
I want to fly. More than anything in the world, please.
We can start learning right now.
You don't understand. My wing. I can't move my wing.
Kirk Maynard, you have the freedom to be yourself, your true self, here and now. And nothing can stand in your way.
Are you saying I can fly?
Kirk Maynard can't fly. He was born crippled. He's never been off the ground.
You're free, Kirk Maynard. Fly. Fly.